President Dr. Pratik, Secretary Ashwanda, and mentor Kalyanda, and all the members, and the wonderful, beautiful young girl here. All the members of Madhyamgram Metropolitan, good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
It's a pleasure coming here. অনেক বছর পরে আমি এখানে এসেছি। আগে ইনস্টলেশনই আসতাম, but I think after a long time একটা মিটিংয়ে কালিয়ান্দা আমাকে বললেন ওই ডিটি ডিস্ট্রিক্ট অ্যাসেম্বলিতে ডিটিটিএসে যে একবার চলে এসো, and somehow coming to Madhyamgram is coming out of Calcutta. মানে এখানে পলিউশন কম, সাউন্ড পলিউশন কম, মানে and I was telling Kalyanda কি যদি এইরকম বাড়িতে আমাকে থাকতে হয় আমি কাজ করতে যাব না, ওয়ার্ক ফ্রম হোমই করবো, মানে ওপেন অ্যান্ড নাইস এনভায়রনমেন্ট, অ্যাম্বিয়েন্স। আর the president requested me to speak on 3 topics. এই 3 টপিক বলতে গিয়ে মানে 3 ঘন্টার সাবজেক্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে। So I'll try to just compress and cover them. First of all, Rotary Fellowship আমি বেশি বলবো না, because Madhyamgram Metropolitan is known for its fellowship. And fellowship means first the bonding between the club members itself. So whether it is Poila Boishakh, Holi, Diwali, wherever, and I'm told chartered ceremony you're going to spend in the lovely hills. মানে এইরকম যদি আড্ডা হয়, there's nothing like, you know, the better fellowship than this, where all the members get together and they interact. And then the fellowship moves one step ahead to the district. আজকে ডিস্ট্রিক্টে আপনার যোগাযোগ কীরকম হয়, আপনি ইন্টারসিটিতে যান, আপনি ওখানে যেটা ফাংশনস হয় ওখানে আপনি পার্টিসিপেট করছেন কিনা, that gives a value to the fellowship of the club. And I think Madhyamgram Metropolitan is known for its interaction in the district. তাহলে ওর আর বেশি আমার বলার কিছু নেই, and you are very well aware of that kind of fellowship. But in Rotary International, the fellowship goes beyond the district and it goes to the rest of India. I mean, you can travel to the rest of India and interact. মানে একটা পিন নিয়ে আপনি যেখানে আপনার খুশি মিটিং অ্যাটেন্ড করতে পারেন, and the module of the meeting is the same. And in fact, similarly, আমি এটাই বলি যে whenever you travel overseas, whether you have doctors, you have people traveling for business or even tourism, আপনি যেখানে যান Rotary International Directory মানে অনলাইন এখন you know the contacts, every club where they meet in the world. আর এইরকম আমি ইউএসএতে when I was a younger Rotarian, I was a little adventurous. আমি ব্যবসা করতে ইউএসএতে যেতাম and drive করতে করতে ওখানে প্রত্যেক টাউনে যেখানে রোটারি আছে, at the entrance of the highway only there is a board, signboard, the Rotary of this city or town meets here. And sometimes it clicks, it's a Tuesday lunch meeting, or somewhere it is a Wednesday breakfast meeting, somewhere it's an evening meeting, so you can time yourself and go there. আগে সুবিধা ছিল, এখন মানে এত ফ্লেক্সিবিলিটি এসে গেছে রোটারিতে কি sometimes the members don't even meet, I mean, it so happens that I turned up at one club and I found that they have shifted the meeting to 2 per month, and that particular week it is not there. আগে তো প্রত্যেক সপ্তাহ মানে they said Tuesday lunch at Radisson Hotel Wineland, so any Tuesday you could walk in and that lunch meeting used to be there. So we just tell Rotarians, whenever you travel overseas, find from the directory, where is the club, where does it meet, and accordingly talk to the president or secretary in that club and see whether you can meet and interact. Jahan you carry a flag of your club, carry some, bulletin or whatever it is. So this way the interaction with the clubs take place. In fact, the Rotary Foundation projects, global grant on the main strength of global grants comes from networking overseas. Singapore convention হচ্ছে. I don't know how many of you are planning to go, but every Rotarian must attend at least one Rotary International Convention in lifetime. In the sense, you get the strength of Rotary on a global scale. It's done so well. In fact, when I was to take over as the president of Rotary Club of Belur, even before I became the president, there was Raja Sabuji, the past RI president. His convention was international convention was in Florida, Orlando. And I planned my trip for business in such a way that I would be in New York to do my business, then go to Florida and spend time. And this was in over 30 years back. And believe it or not, it was beautifully done. On an Airport convention hall, and at that time there were roughly 20,000 to 22,000 people attending, that convention. And then there were different sessions like Canadian breakfast, German breakfast. So they were different groups having different programs, and you could enroll and go with them and network with them. You would understand the Germans, their style of breakfast, their understanding, their style of Rotary projects, and then network and interact with them. Similarly with Canada, Australia. So all these groups today, Indian breakfast is a very popular breakfast. Many Rotarians want to come and enjoy not just the Indian breakfast, but also the networking and communication with the Rotarians from India. So that's what I'm trying to say. The fellowship must not be limited to the club. Take it to an international level. Make friends, and they love to make friends. And find an opportunity whenever. This time it's in Singapore, many people are going, and this was a good opportunity, but it will come again wherever. If one can't travel to Canada, next year is Calgary. So find somewhere when it comes back closer. It's very strange that it has never come to India. Why? Because there's no hall which can accommodate 30,000. Today, 30,000 are the attendance in any international convention. So you have a plenary session where all 30,000 have to sit together. Singapore, that has a hall of roughly 20,000. So the opening session and the plenary sessions are all done in 2 sittings. At the 9 o'clock to 11, and the other one is 11:30 to 1:30. Unfortunately, the president-elect at international level have to say the same speech twice, because one for this batch of 15,000 and then the next batch of 15,000. But it's something you will enjoy. That is what it is. So that's with the fellowship. The question I can ask you. Then the next topic that is there is wash, sanitation and hygiene. Water, sanitation, hygiene. Actually, this itself, the WASH program, water, sanitation, hygiene, is now short form is WASH. And WASH, if you do a project in school, is WASH in school. So the short form used is WINS. So these are the programs of the water, sanitation, hygiene in Rotary. In fact, the United Nations and the Government of India has also started following the same, the WASH concept. So I can speak about the 20 schools that under Rotary Club of Belur, we took Chaurangi and 2 other Rotary clubs. আমরা একটা কুই স্কুলের একটা ওয়াশ প্রজেক্ট করলাম. So what is the project? You give potable drinking water, so that proper water filter is there. Toilets যেটা আছে, segregate gender wise, boys separate, girls separate, and then give them training, the hand wash training. Actually that is the most important. আমরা যত equipment gadget দিয়ে দিই, but unless you train the people and mentally tell them that this is how it is to be done, it doesn't happen. So a lot of programs were done in teaching the children on how to wash their hands. That সাবানও যদি লাগাতে হয় হাতে, 20 সেকেন্ড যদি সাবান না থাকে, germs won't die. So all these things, even we Rotarians don't follow. আমরা মিটিং করে যদি খাবারের প্ল্যান থাকে স্ট্রেট খেতে চলে যাই. We don't wash our hands. But let me tell you, all those of us who did this wash school, wash program in schools, we were teaching the children so much that we became guilty. Each time বাড়িতে আমরা নিউজ পেপার দেখছি, করছি, ব্রেকফাস্ট এসে গেছে, ওই ব্রেডটা নিয়ে খেতে আরম্ভ করে দিলাম। নো, even the newspaper can have germs. COVID changed our lifestyle. COVID থেকে অনেক কিছু আমরা শিখলাম। Actually, it was a learning experience that how your hygiene becomes one of the most important factors in life. So I tell you what, after COVID was over, when we visited some of these schools, the teachers thanked us. They said, "Oh what?" They said, "कि आपना तो एक छोटा बच्चा के train करे गए, how to wash hands, how to keep 20 second count, এটা আমরা দিতাম একটা গান যেটা 20 সেকেন্ড থেকে 30 সেকেন্ড হতো, and you sing and wash your hands, enjoy as a group activity." They said during the COVID, these children were teaching their parents, neighbors, and everybody. So that is how the effect of a hygiene training goes to the community, right in the villages and everywhere. So that is an important project. আমরা এটা বলি এখানে আপনি গভর্নমেন্ট স্কুল খুঁজে বার করুন, there will be schools, toilet আছে but maintained নেই, and even যদি maintained থাকে, children training নেই, আর ট্রেনিং ও যদি থাকে, how the soap will keep coming in the school কোনো প্রয়োজন নেই। So we set up some methods, by কি আপনি everyone has a birthday. So প্রত্যেক birthday the child will donate 2 soaps, 5 soaps or whatever. Instead of distributing toffees to the class students, distribute soaps, whatever. তো এই রকম করে পুরো বছরের স্কুলের বাজেট হয়ে গেল, in this thing. Because otherwise soap নেই, আমরা জাস্ট জলে ধরে চলে যেতাম। So all these practical things come in doing the project. আর প্রজেক্টের সাইজ কত? ছোট স্কুল হলে 1.5 লাখে হয়ে যাবে, বড় স্কুল হলে 2.5-3 লাখ, ইভেন 500 বাচ্চার স্কুল, not more than 3.5-4 lakhs. You can do it. There are, because most of the schools have some provision, maintain করতে হয় কিংবা নতুন করতে হয়, it doesn't cost that much. The global grant যদি এটা করা হয়, ধরুন on an average it is 3 lakhs. Let us assume it can go from 1.5 to 4, but 2.5 to 3 is average. Let's take even 3 lakh as the budget for it. And if you are doing a global grant, you don't have to spend more than 50,000 from the club. And a club 50,000 দেবে, বাকি তো DDF হবে, district থেকে অন্য partners থাকবে. You can do a project of almost 2.5-3 lakhs by giving only 50,000. So that is something which I will tell. It's a very, Madhyagram Metropolitan is a very mature club. Next year you are going to celebrate 20th anniversary, right? And you are well known in this area. So you can think of adopting few schools. যদি ওইরকম হয়, আমরা বেলুর সঙ্গে ম্যানেজ করে জয়েন্টলি একটা গ্লোবাল গ্রান্ট করতে পারি। that is the water sanitation hygiene. The other water sanitation hygiene projects are like public toilets. The public toilets গ্রামে আমরা অনেক দিয়েছি, আপনারাও দিয়েছেন আমার মনে হচ্ছে। So those are things, or you can make something like যেটা সুলভ করে, that again is a 3 to 5 lakhs budget. ওটা sponsorship দিয়ে হয়। Maybe you have some big shops and business people in Madhyagram. ওখান থেকে ওনার নাম ওনার ট্রাস্ট থেকে কিছু টাকা নিয়ে you can do a project of that type, and there you have a Rotary Club of Madhyagram. I don't know, Park Street to you go every day. Park Street e oi Mahanagar jeta koreche toilet kore, they have donated it to there. কিন্তু মহানগর করেনি, somebody in Mahanagar knew a businessman যে donate করেছে ওই donation থেকে ওটা তৈরি হলো. So you must have the capacity to find a donor in Madhyamgram and you must have a good project. আমি দেখেছি যদি project ভালো থাকে টাকার অভাব হয় না, মানে you get people to come forward. In fact, sometimes they come and say कि भाई find a good project, we want to give you from the trust. এখন তো এও এসছে মানে from the companies CSR project করা হয়. So water, sanitation, hygiene is the need of the day. I don't need to speak about it. কিন্তু স্কুলের প্রজেক্টটা খুব মিনিংফুল, মানে and you feel satisfied মানে ওই ছোট বাচ্চা এইসব দেখে না. And then whenever we go now, they show us a maintained clean this thing. For the girls' school, there is also the hygiene part where we send lady trainers, for menstrual hygiene, for how the sanitary napkins and usage and everything. So those, even with United Nations, trainers United Nations office in Theatre Road, they give out volunteers and teachers, who will go with you to the school and they will impart the training. So think about it, whatever that project is there, and these are things which can be done. Questions in the end. We come to the final topic. And that is the youth service. Name us money youth service. And what is youth service in Rotary? Interact, Rotaract, Raila, friendship exchange, everything is there. I don't need to speak about Interact, you have an Interact. Rotaract movement our district they were banned for various reasons, political or whatever, but until next year you will have to wait, after which Rotaract will come again, But Interact is a very good program and a lot of training and other things can be done with them, আমি যেটা বলতে চাইছি অনেক সময় কি হয়, clubs form Interact club and then they leave it, maybe one program in a year and then they forget. So find opportunities to have programs like drawing competition, debate competition, essay writing, a lot of creative things which impart knowledge and also bring in the children. Maybe Madhyamgram itself have 10-15 schools or something, and an inter-school debate, inter-school essay, inter-school whatever. The image of your club, Madhyamgram Metropolitan, will go up. It's not only that you are making children involved in doing a project. It is that each year, Anjunda club, Rotary Club of Calcutta South, at one time, Prince Anwar Shah on a near building. And so that club used to do inter-school debate of all of Calcutta major schools, and it used to be done in either G.D. Birla Sabhagar or Gorki Sadar in those days. And the best part was every year the schools would ask me when is the next Rotary debate, each year. That Rotary image came up, and then we tied up with T2 Telegraph. The T2 Telegraph also started covering it, so it became even more that the whole Calcutta knew that this debate for children is going to happen. It would have gone for various reasons, but at least meeting for next year we will start. We'll have a debate and kind of a inter-school programs for competitive. But the club can do it in your own area, Madhyamgram itself, and involve the mayor, involve whatever evening government officials, so that it becomes a well-known program and the club gets into limelight. So that is the youth, how we can involve in Raila, ওটা তো আপনি জানি না
তাহলে আমরা একবার করে যেমন এসেছিলাম
করেছেন, হ্যাঁ। So that is where we involve youngsters to learn, and to become leaders. Actually, the whole purpose of all the youth program is to bring leadership qualities in the youth, and that is what Rotary thinks, that it is one of the responsibilities that we must build leaders, because good leaders make good citizens make a good society, and good society makes a good country. So the whole process of the youth training এখানে জোকাতে সবসময় হয়, and Bajbaj does it, Kamalesh da. So যদি আপনার মেম্বার্সকে এক্সপোজার আরো দিতে হয় তাহলে you get involved next year in one of the RILA programs, and you see give volunteers also, যদি ওখানে ক্যাম্প করে একদিন স্যাটারডে সানডে হয় mostly for school students, and there is competition, there is yoga, there is talks. This time আমি তো leadership ওভারে টপিকে বলতে গেলাম, but I reached a little early. So there was a retired senior police division from a criminal department who spoke about all these these software thefts that are taking place. And he gave a very good talk to the children in their language for them to understand the concept of how to use your mobile safely, how to use your passwords safely, that even your laptop can be hacked, your mobile can be hacked, everything. And that was a very good talk. That was meant for the young and youth. Today's elders also need that lecture, because we are also living in a world which is bombarded with so much of software and electronics and all these, kind of data thefts and other things. So this training for the youth is there. So one of the finest program of youth, যেটা আমি USA তে দেখলাম. I was invited in one of the district conferences of Pennsylvania. So this was a program, which was normal. There is no district conference, but in the conference they presented 60 young children from different countries, and they said all these children, 60 children from USA, are sponsored by the district to travel to different countries, from Brazil to Belgium to UK, France, everywhere, and they also send one child here. And normally what happens, like if I have a child and I want that, I'm living in US, I want the child to go in Belgium and spend a month or 2 months to understand culture, people, language, everything. Then I tie up in that program, and they link me with a family in Belgium, and their son or daughter will come and stay with us. It can be linked, it can be without link. So even if I don't have children, but I want to volunteer, me and my wife want to host someone to come and stay 1 month with us and live with us, and then they travel. So what happens, they come and stay with the host family, কিন্তু ওনার একটা group program হয়. They are taken to the local post office to meet the top postmaster, general, to understand how the postal system works here, or how the the shopping and other things take place here, or even the banking system, everything. And then culture means, how do you celebrate this, how do you celebrate that, what is the kind of food that is good here, good there. That gives a huge exposure. In that whole conference, the most exciting program, where they select 10 out of these 60 children to speak about their experience. And then you find the excitement. Earlier we used to have GSC team program, then we used to get youngsters come in the GSC team. And I still remember when I had Brazil, a young boy came and he stayed with us in our house. So typically, they used to have their program, but the breakfast and dinners were with us, because, or some dinners they would plan outside. So at one Sunday lunch, My wife made rajma and rice. Typical, in North India, that's a good Sunday lunch. Not masir jhol and bhat, but rajma and rice. And they just boiled, finished everything. Like he ate 2-3 plates and he says, "How do you know I love this?" I said, "We don't know." So now he says that in Brazil, that's their most favorite combo. That if any guest is invited at home, it's not the meat and all that. They eat a lot of meat, but if somebody offers you this rajma and rice, freshly steamed, prepared and put on table, it means he's honoring you. So these are things you will learn only when someone comes and stays with you. And then he gives a note to my son as a gift, and it was like 10,000. So I said, "Why are you giving 10,000? Because I thought that was his currency, and I didn't know the value at that time. We didn't check on mobile, we didn't even have probably mobiles, but early days of mobile." So then he says, "No, don't worry, it's equivalent to only 50 rupees, So like you can understand currency factor, currency value, devaluation, everything, So this interaction of youth in any form. So I suggest to clubs here, if you don't have to go so far, we have Bangladesh, we have Nepal, we have Sri Lanka, we have even other neighboring Southeast Asian countries. So clubs can join together and do either a family exchange or a youth exchange. These kind of programs really help the youth to build up. So this between Interact, between Raila, and then there is a new concept now, new generation exchange. The new generation exchange means that you can have young people. It's not limited to school children, it's above, So like if you have young doctors or young teachers, or young lawyers, they can be made as a group and go for exchange with one country, and come back. So those kind of exchange programs are also there. It's not just different countries. You can even have within the country. From here a team goes and spends time in Punjab or Karnataka or wherever, So you can have the youth exchange. But basically the idea is to build leaders. And I'll just end my talk with, what I consider as leaders, And this is not my version. This is Ramcharitmanas of Tulsidas. 5,000 years back, the concept of leadership is written in that book. And there he says, and Ram is considered as a leader for various reasons, and why is explained. And he says there are 3 S, which kind of signify a leadership quality. So the first is swasth, health. For any young leader, any leader, unless you are healthy mentally, physically, soulfully. Nowadays, the health is expanded not just to body health, it's mind, mental health and the soul, inner spirit, everything. Your health has to be strong, And then it says Sukriti. Sukriti means doing good. A leader has to be doing good, not just speak. It has just lecture diye chole galo, that's not it, not like the politicians, many of the politicians. It's like hands-on, you do good and you show that you are doing good. And third is Satyavrata, the truthfulness. We talk of 4-way test, right? So the truthfulness is the quality that they, need. So these are just the 3. There are 3 others, So what I meant was these qualities, if inculcated at a young age, this is what takes the leaders above and beyond. And that is what Roshi wants. Similarly, in Roshi Club, why do they say we need young leaders like Dr. Pratik? Every club should have presidents who are coming with a new generation look, who are more tech savvy, because everything in Rotary has become, involved with websites and softwares and going online and everything. So it is these young people who will take the Rotary movement forward. You know, so we need maturity, we need experience, but we need the youth for future to come and take the organization further ahead. So with these words, I'd like to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity. Kalyanda, once again, I'm again, and glad to know that Dr. Prateek, very particular, very precise, followed me from the beginning, told me where exactly to land. It was after my CV also, I had forgotten about it, but very meticulously planned and organized to follow me. Thank you so much.
Sir, I have one question on Rotary Action Group. I am also part of a action group, Rotary Action Group for blood donation, but I need to have much knowledge that how it works, that how we can join. So on that, I have some, I don't have much knowledge on that.
I can tell you. Now, actually, part of the Rotary Fellowship is also the Rotary Action Groups. I forgot about that. Thank you for pointing it out. Actually, there are groups in Rotary who are good golfers, right? Or good cycling people, love long distance cycling, mountaineers, cricketers, you know, you can name any sports for that matter. There are chess players, bridge players, you know. So what Rotary has done is you can have people or, you know, have your fellowship group and connect throughout the world. And they have networks of various such fellowships. Similar action group is for projects. Like for example, SRAG, you know, so Environment Sustainability Rotary Action Group. RAG is always Rotary Action Group, and the front words change because of what activity. So Environment Sustainability Group is one. Jetate Rotary Club of Calcutta and Belur have tied up to do the Ganga Action Plan. আমরা এখানে দুটো ঘাট মানে বেলুরে নিয়েছি. This is one is like a Shamshan Ghat of that part, and one is the other ghat where all kinds of chemicals are coming into the river, all kinds of filth is thrown in, and also the toilets are not in one ghat there is no toilet, in the other one there are toilets, but used as storeroom for somebody who don't know who locks and goes away. মানে এই অবস্থা আছে আমাদের ঘাটে. So to clean that whole environment, plant some trees, get some toilets done, make sure no washing of clothes takes place. And jodi, you know, people will wash clothes, so there is a method and way by which the soap water is put through some chemicals and then released in the river. So all that project is under the Environment Sustainability Rotary Action Group. And these group members are from Australia, Malaysia, US, Germany, everywhere. So when this project is put through the group, a group you know, inside. So you load your project, so you get donors automatically. You don't have to run. Otherwise, আগে লোক বলতেন কি ভাই আমরা একটা প্রজেক্ট করতে চাইছি, টাকা কি করে গ্রান্টে আসবে আমরা জানি না, and আমরা কনভেনশনে যেতে পারছি না. So this is a thing which happens and comes automatically. Similarly, there is RAM, Rotary Against Malaria. It's a big group. You know, I was surprised in one of the conventions I went about 15 years back. RAM. I said, wow, who is this? You know, who is Hindu? Who's put this? And it was not Ram, it was Ram. You know, Rotary Against Malaria. And they have projects of mosquito net distribution, sprays, intergovernment communication, health issues, all concerned with that. So similarly, if you go through the website of Rotary, you will find all these action groups. It can be project-based, it can be fun-based, you know, even culinary. There are these fellowship groups for food. And some of our club members have joined that. So they exchange, you know, different kind of food recipes and menus and all that, and then they meet somewhere, like in a closer group. Suppose if you go to the convention, these people from all over the world, they are friends, so they'll come and have a special program of their own, and they're allowed to have a program of their own. And action groups are mostly for projects. So you can have fellowship group and action group, but the concept is same, that Rotarians from all over the world with common interests get together and do something together.
Thank you, sir. Please remember, if you have any question, please ask to the speaker. Any question from the audience?
One question I have.
Regarding the effluent treatment of plants, effluent treatment so that the usable water should not be contaminated with the other soil waters. So is there any program on effluent treatment plants in specific area?
I mean, it's still in the planning stage, let me tell you. I mean, effluent removal, again, what is happening is part of the government job. There are things which Rotary can do, there are things which we have to bring them and get it done. So the Port Authority, the ex-chairman, who's retired, he is tying up to catch up government authorities to help us in that. Because we can set up a plant, right? We can do that. But again, we need inspectors to test and prove that this is the way it is done and whether it can be released or not. Government interface is required. So if there is anything that anyone can help and advise, we will take it, because the project is still actually going to be launched in Singapore. Sominda, is carrying the past, he is from Rotary Club of Calcutta. He is carrying the project and he will be projecting what we have in mind. And then we get experts from all over the world to give ideas and inputs, because this kind of program is already taking place in Europe and also in Latin America. So how they are doing what they are doing, we will get the ideas, but we have a concept that the project will be roughly $80,000 to $100,000 as the first phase. It's a multi-phase project. But the whole, how the effluent treatment will be done, that selection will be done at a later stage, and we'll have to bring in the government authorities to discuss with us, because whatever they advise, they will give us the approval of the project for their portion. We'll just be investing and bringing the equipment through the global grant.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful insight to the topic on water and sanitation. It's a Rotary Fellowship, and we got to know about the many important aspects of different avenue of the Rotary and how we can go forward, how we can plan our future projects, especially in Queens category, and also we got good information for our younger Rotarian in the club regarding the Rotary Youth Service. And your session is fully live on our Facebook page named Rotary Club of Motungam Metropolitan. And I already shared the live link to the Rotary District group and our President group, and I'm sure that many of my fellow presidents is already on live to have your session here. And also would like to share your video to the different groups, so that in that way we want to improve the public image also by sharing different groups, so that they can aware of the Rotary work more. And we also have a many Facebook group in the Motungam area who have more than 50,000 people living of the resident of Motungam. We try to share each and every awareness session we do on the Facebook Live. In that way, so that they have the more awareness, more knowledge, and exactly. And also, if anyone interested to work with us, any NGOs are already with that sharing. Many people of Motungam come to us for their joint venture. So again, I would like to thank from bottom of my heart for giving your time to our club for this wonderful Sunday meeting. Thank you. And now I would like to thank our club mentor, as because he was the one who is the main person who asked that Pratik please go for a meeting. I will ask our PG Raviji to have his valuable presence in our meeting. And as soon as I got the confirmation from him, I just talked to you, and thanks to everything we are privileged to have you here at our club. I would like to request our club mentor to have a concluding session.
Good evening, everyone. সবার প্রথমে আমি আমার ধন্যবাদ জানাবো আমাদের পিডিজি রবিজিকে। রবি সাইকেল অনেক সময় ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ট্রেনিং সেমিনারে আমার সঙ্গে দেখা হয়েছিল। এক কথাতে উনি বললেন ঠিক আছে সানডে ফাঁকা আছি, সানডে অর্গানাইজ করতে পারো। আমরা অলরেডি প্রেসিডেন্ট প্রতীক অর্গানাইজ করেছি উইদিন শর্ট পিরিয়ড, এবং শর্ট পিরিয়ডের মধ্যে উনি এসছে। থ্যাংক ইউ রবিজি, অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ টু প্রেসিডেন্ট প্রতীক। ফেলোশিপের কথা উনি বলেছেন, আমি শুনেছি, আমরা নিজেও প্র্যাকটিক্যালি আমরা ফেলোশিপ কতটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট সেটা আমরা বুঝতে পেরেছিলাম বাংলাদেশে যখন 2-3 বার ভিজিট করেছি। এবং ওখানকার রোটারিয়ান আর আমাদের রোটারিয়ান যখন বসে যেত মনে হচ্ছে যেন আমাদের কোনো ফ্যামিলি মিট হচ্ছে। এবং দুজনদের মধ্যে প্রজেক্ট সম্বন্ধে অনেক আলোচনা হয়েছে, তারাও ইন্টারেস্টেড, আমরাও ইন্টারেস্টেড, এবং তারাও আমাদের সঙ্গে এখনো পর্যন্ত যোগাযোগ রাখে। এই জিনিসটা কিন্তু ফেলোশিপের মাধ্যমে আমাদের কিন্তু ডেভেলপ আমরা করতে পেরেছি। এবং আজ থেকে 10 বছর আগে আমরা একবার অফিসিয়াল কাজে আমি গেছিলাম ম্যাড্রাসে। সেখানে একটা সাউথ ইন্ডিয়ান ক্লাবের রোটারি ক্লাব অফ চেন্নাই সেন্ট্রাল, ইভিনিংয়ে ফাঁকা ছিল। ইভিনিংয়ে ওখানে চলে গেলাম, জাস্ট আমার লেফটেন্টে দেখে রোটারি মেম্বার আজকে মিটিং আছে, ওরা আর কিছুদিনের মধ্যে আরম্ভ হবে। ওয়েল অর্গানাইজ এবং ওয়েল রিসেপশন। আমাদের রোটারি ক্লাব বা মধ্যমগ্রাম মেট্রোপলিটন যদি আসে আমরা অপেক্ষা করতে পারবো কিনা সেটা আমার ডাউট আছে, কিন্তু সেরকম হসপিটালিটি পেলাম। ওদের সম্বন্ধে আলোচনা হলো, সেরকম মেম্বার ডিটেলস তাদের বলা আছে 45 minutes এভরিথিং ওভার, ডিনার কমপ্লিট, this kind of possible only for the Rotary, the feeling হয়েছে। সুতরাং রবিজি সবাইকে আর্টিগুলো ভালো লেগেছে, আর যদি কারোর মধ্যে জিজ্ঞাসা থাকে করতে পারেন। তো ওনাকে পাওয়া খুব কঠিন, আমাদের মধ্যে পেয়েছি। থ্যাংক ইউ। এবং যখন উনি আসবেন এবং উনি বলে গেলেন বেলুরের সঙ্গে আমাদের সঙ্গে কোনো কাজ করবেন, আগামী দিনে যে প্রেসিডেন্ট আছেন এবং কমিটি মেম্বার আছেন তারাও চিন্তা ভাবনা করবে, যদি হয় তো ওই সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ করে আমরা থ্যাংক ইউ। থ্যাংক ইউ।
I would like to request our club mentor to please felicitate past District Governor Raviji. I have also shared our club officer training program manual with him, as he is also the district learning facilitator for the year 23-24, and also I have shared our installation manual, and in the manual also I requested for a column, and he immediately mailed me during my installation time. The same column is there, sir. Also, I have shared one brochure of our club projects for future reference. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you.
and I would like to request our club secretary for this business.
শুভ সন্ধ্যা।